Okay, what's going on, guys? We're gonna go ahead and talk about driving with a driving teacher, show you what you need to do. Whenever you're driving, you need to always look around and see what's going on. When you back up, you have to always look behind you. So you gotta have your head on the swivel. And I do teach hand over hand. There's more than one way to turn your steering wheel. There's hand to hand, hand over hand. So it depends on what country you're from, how your instructor taught you. We're the side street. This is the main road. I've yielded. This is a one-way. As soon as you get out on the road, you want to practice looking ahead. A lot of beginners drift to the right. They drift to the left. What I'm trying to teach you today is some simple fundamentals to help you become a better driver. I'm going to go ahead and get over one lane to the left, mirror, turn signal, blind spot, and I'm scanning. We have signs here, school zone crossing. This is where kids walk across the street over the bridge. So you got to be mindful. It is 4:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have a yield. So I want to yield, check my mirrors, look over my shoulder, and then proceed, because cars will come up the ramp very fast. You need to stop behind the stop line and don't go past the crosswalk. Look left and right, then I proceed. Your hand placement depends on how long your arms are. I have very long arms. 9 and 3 is fine, 10 and 2, 7 and 5. At the end of the day, you want to be comfortable holding the steering wheel so you can have good maneuverability. I'm looking ahead, trying to keep the car as centered as possible. Every 10 to 15 seconds, you need to be checking your mirrors. I'm looking at each corner. Are kids there? Are people there? Those are the vulnerable road users. There are 2 pedestrians up there. They're vulnerable road users. I have a warning sign, another warning sign, then a regulatory. You need to do what this sign says and then continue. 3-second stop. I might get over one lane, mirror, turn signal, blind spot, and then I yield. This yield becomes the stop if there's heavy traffic. You can see all the cars. They came out, they came across. You see how it happens, right? And cars would just squeeze out. So you gotta be ready. And cars would just pop up and pop out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get over one lane. And I need to get over one more lane. And then I'm gonna get on the expressway, but I'm gonna keep room. This might have been a mistake for traffic, but it's a learning opportunity. And this is 4:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm looking for an opening, and we each have to share. So I'm gonna wait for them to go in front of me, then I merge in right behind them, and that's satisfactory. So if you were driving with you, I might tell you, hey, let's get in the first lane, let's stay chilled, turn up the air conditioning, relax, and just go with the flow. Your instructor does not want you to be nervous. So if you're nervous, you're more likely to make more mistakes. And this is the best way. You know, there are no lights and cross traffic, so expressways do have an opportunity. There are 3 lanes. The first lane is for slow moving traffic, people merging out onto the expressway. So I'm trying to keep my space.